Hello there everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to unbox the Hot Toys Darth Vader. This one's a 1/4 scale figure. And it says that it's a special edition Hot Toy Star Wars figure. Before we start with the unboxing, as usual, let us look at the box first. On the box, you will see Darth Vader's helmet, and it also says that it's a 1/4 scale figure. And there is also a sticker that says that it is a special edition Hot Toy figure. On the side, there's a Star Wars logo. Then it also says that it's a Darth Vader figure and a 1/4 scale collectible. And at the back are the details about the toy. This one's made by Hot Toys Limited, Hong Kong. So, without further ado, let's start the unboxing. When you remove this one, you will see the unmasked Anakin Skywalker or Darth Vader. This shot, I think, is from the movie Return of the Jedi, when the second Death Star was already on the verge of explosion. Okay, let's see what's inside. Inside the box, you will see Darth Vader. Let's remove all the plastic first so that we could see the figure better. Now, this is how the figure looks like after all the plastic have been removed. Now, as expected, this toy is quite heavy because it's a 1/4 scale figure. Now, this Darth Vader toy is highly detailed, especially the helmet, the clothes. It's a combination of fabric and plastic. There's no metallic part. I think the shoes is leather. The glossy parts are plastic, and there are also some leather parts on the boots, and also the pants. I think this is leather too. Leather. Then his breathing equipment is made out of plastic. This is not a die-cast figure, but regardless, this is still a heavy toy. Now, let's see if it can stand without the base. I think you cannot stand alone without the base. But let's check the articulation. The armor here makes it a little bit difficult to raise the arms. This one hinders the arm from being raised upwards. How about this one? The legs very movable, but the back part is quite hard to move it, especially the arms, because of this. Now the cape, I think this is silk, or no, this is not silk fabric. The inner part is silk, and the outer part of the cape, I think is I don't know what kind of fabric is used in this one, but regardless that, this is still an awesome Darth Vader figure, very highly detailed, and you have an option too to display it with this head sculpt. Now this head sculpt is the damaged face of Anakin Skywalker. If you remember the movie Return of the Jedi, when he asked Luke to remove his helmet, this is how he looked like. Very highly detailed, from the burned scars, and the eyes look so real. The scars are very detailed. As well as the lines on the face. Now, this is my dilemma. I don't know if I should use this head sculpt or this one with the Darth Vader helmet. Later I'll decide which one I'll use. But before that, let's see what else is inside the box. Inside the box is the base, and I think this is battery, I think, for the lightsaber. And let's check later on if the base also lights up, because there are a lot of batteries included in this figure. Okay, let's see what the other accessories are. Now, this figure has 8 extra hands. And this is the base for the figure. What's this, an extra base? Yes, I think so. I think there are 2 extra base for this figure. There's a manual included too. Interesting. Or I think you can attach this one. I think this base could be attached to each other. Let's check later. Oh, I think it is. I think the 2 display stand can be attached to each other through this. Below the base, it says that it was manufactured 2019 by Hot Toys Limited. Let's see the other base. Yeah, like the other one, just says that it was manufactured last 2019. Yeah, highly detailed base. Let's check later. I think this one lights up. this? Let's check what this is. I think this is a lightsaber effect, so that it would look like that Darth Vader is slashing someone. Very interesting. Then, of course, a Star Wars figure won't be complete without the Sith or Jedi main weapon, the lightsaber. Now this one's red, of course, because Darth Vader is a Sith Lord. And these are the batteries included. I think the lightsaber lights up. That's why they've included batteries on the figure. But with this number of batteries, I think the display stand also lights up. We will confirm it later. But as usual, let's come up with a display stand for the figure. Now this is the final display pose that I've come up with. I've also placed the lightsaber on the right hand of Darth Vader, and it looks like he's slashing someone. And there is also an extra base for the other head sculpt. And it is confirmed that both of the base lights up. There. Both of the base lights up. Now, if you're a Star Wars fan, I'm sure that you will never pass on this figure. And if you enjoyed my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.